means happiness, giving and receiving love. To me, that is what it means.
It's not only Hindus, everybody will celebrate Diwali in India. So it's mainly celebrated as a God's victory against the evil.
What it really means to me is the dispelling of darkness in one's life. So it represents the reignition of the light of love in one's heart that radiates into your home, into the community, into your society and the country at large.
As a young child growing up, for Diwali Day, you're always excited about getting to play with a starlight or fun snaps or being able to make a starlight bomb. And as I grew older, I got to understand the true meaning of Diwali, which is light over darkness and good over evil. And so on Diwali Day, when we get dressed up and we go to visit family and friends and our neighbors, and the joy and happiness and love that we experience as we light beers or share a meal reminds me that even though we may experience challenges or there are times when we may be down, that light, love and good always wins. Shubh Diwali.